In this movie, we're going to talk about how to go about finding the document root. It's a very important folder or directory that we need to locate so that we know where to put our web files as we work. When you're working with WAMP server, assuming you installed it in the default location, the document root is going to be inside local C drive, inside the WAMP folder, or wherever you installed WAMP. And then from there, it's the www folder. That is the file that's going to be served up by Apache. Apache is looking at this directory and returning pages from this directory. So all of our project files need to go here. Now there's also another way that you can get there, which is from the WAMP server menu over here on the side. It has www directory. That is our document root. It opens up the exact same thing. And index.php, well, that's this test page that's right here for localhost. So if we go to localhost, it'll open up Firefox, and it loads localhost, which is the same thing as localhost index.php. That's the default page is index.php, so it's implied. So that is what's loading up here, is that page. So that shows you the relationship between where files are stored on the hard drive and where we access them in the browser. Localhost is what we use to get to Apache and to get to this document root, and then we provide whatever else we need after that to be able to locate the file inside whatever nested directories might be there. So you're going to want to put all of the PHP project files that we create in this www directory, and then you'll access them from the browser by typing it this way, not by double-clicking on the file. It's very important. We need to tell Apache that it has to process these files. So we don't want to just open up PHP on its own. We have to get there by going through Apache so that Apache can interpret them and return good HTML to us. Now, one other note that I want to make is that it's different from where I'm going to be on the Mac. And I'm going to be demonstrating everything on the Macintosh. On the Mac, I'm going to be locating those files by using localhost / and then tilde and then my username. On Windows, though, it's just going to be the localhost part. So anytime you see me start to type that longer string on the Mac, followed by some other file names, you'll just take out that username portion and just use localhost / and then whatever comes after that. Because on the Mac, my document root is in a slightly different place. But if you keep that one change in mind, you won't get lost.